Amit, and I welcome all of you to BISP Self-Learning Video Broadcast Solution. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to create a workflow process in Dynamic CRM, and the scenario for today's video is that we will be going to create a workflow on account entity, that whenever a new record is created within account entity, I would like to assign that account to a specific user in the organization to follow that particular contact or follow that particular account, and at the same time an email will be sent to that user that you have been assigned an account to pursue it, and once the workflow is completed it will end the workflow automatically. So that's the scenario. So let's move on to Dynamic CRM and see how to accomplish this task. So for this, that's my CRM interface. I have already registered on CRM, and now I would like to set up a process first. So I'll click to settings, and in settings I click on solution. So as we have already created solution there, it's a pre-existing solution. So if you want to create a new solution, you can click on new button and create a new solution, and within that solution we can create a process. But in my case I'm going to use the existing solution, so I click on this solution, and there is a process link over here, and here we have pre-existing two processes are already there. So I'm going to create a third process into this. So I click on new, and let's give a process name. So process name is assign account to a user. The category will be workflow, entity will be account, and it will be a new blank process, and I would like that this workflow should be run in the background. So I'll check with this option. Click on OK. So a new dialog box will open, a new screen will open. We have assigned process and scope. I'll set the scope to organization. Run this workflow in the background. We can check this as on demand process as well. And now, first of all, I would like to assign a task to a user. So I click on add step and click on stage. So it will add a stage, add the description, assign task to a user. Now in this stage I would like to add a step, so I select this and click on add step. I would like to assign a record, assign this record to a user, so click on assign record, then again assign account to user, assign account to specific person, so a specific user. So in my case I'm going to assign the same record to me because I am the only user here right now. So I select my name, I give my name here, then after that I would like to send an email. So I select this one, and here I select an email, send an email, and again add a description, send email to user. Click on set properties. If you have pre-existing template, you can select the existing template as well, but in my case I don't have pre-existing template, so I'm going to create a new template here or design a new template. So I click on set properties. From the account owner, so select this account owner, to the owing user, subject record. Record means the account name, so I'll say account name, and I complete this account assigned to you. And here now I would like to give an hyperlink to a user, so that whenever user received an email, in that email there will be an hyperlink, and when user click on the hyperlink, it will take user directly to that particular record. So I create here hyperlink slash hyperlink. In this hyperlink, I create one tag as a name, and one tag as a value slash value. So in name, we need account name. So I use here account name, and value will be the hyperlink. So the hyperlink we have got here, for hyperlink we have record URL dynamic. So I'll remove this one and place the cursor here and okay. That's all. I'll save and close it. And once this stage is complete, I want to deactivate the workflow. So stop workflow, and the condition will be succeeded, and stop workflow. So that's all the process. I'll save it and activate it. Activate it. So once this process is activated, let's go and check whether it's working or not. So first I click on publish all customization so that we can close this solution window or this process window. And after that, we'll open our account entity, create a new record into account, and we'll see whether the workflow is executing or not. So I close this. So for test this, I'm into account entity now. Now I'm going to create a new account here. So I clicked on this shortcut sign to create a new account quickly. Click on account, and I give a name here, BISP Solutions. That's my account name. Click on save. It will quickly create a new account. And according to our scenario, as soon as a new record created into account entity, it will execute that workflow as a backend, and it will send an email to the current user, to me actually. And I have been, and that in that email there will be a link, and it says that the account has been assigned to me for further processing. So if I'll check my mailbox, you can see I have received an email, record BISP solutions assigns to you. When I open it, there's a hyperlink, and when I click on this hyperlink, it will directly take me to that particular record. Right. See. So that's all in this video. That's all how we can create a workflow process in Dynamics CRM. If you have any queries, you can visit our website www.bispsolutions.com, or you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos, more interesting videos on Dynamics CRM. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.